Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reserve IKEA products online. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in ikea.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to IKEA if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the left side of the screen, we have the shopping, favorite products, gift registry, and your account. In the top of the screen, the search bar, and in the top right corner, you have everything about your profile in just one place. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reserve IKEA products online. Well, to reserve IKEA products online, you can use their as is online service, and here is a step-by-step guide. So join IKEA family, so you need the IKEA family member to use the as is online service. You can sign up for free on the IKEA website. We also have a video about making a family card in a separate video. Then of course log into your account, slightly choose stores or choose your nearest IKEA store from the drop-down menu. Browse products of course through the website, so go to bed, textiles or whatever you want. Look through the available as is term items. These are gently used, discontinued or ex Schromer display items. Click the reserve button and reserve the item you want and put of course the pickup. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.